Imagine if you could put the power of a samurai sword in your pocket. We use the same feathered Damascus steel that is used to create the sharpest samurai swords in the world. This means Omni stays up to 5 times sharper than normal steel blade knives. Pretty great, right? Omni, with you for a lifetime.
From the creators of Bullet, the world's smallest waterproof LED flashlight, Wolverine Pack, the world's first self-healing utility bag, and most recently, Nano Pen, the world's smallest indestructible pen tool. It's Slughouse. Are you tired of your messy, noisy, bulky, annoying keys? Us too. Introducing Micro, the world's smallest, lightest, and most minimal key organizer ever. With Micro, you have quick and easy access to any key. Assembly is a breeze. No batteries required. Stay organized and keep your keys neat. Micro is smaller and lighter than a quarter. But also, with Micro's built-in tools, you can open bottles, use as a flathead tool, cut open boxes, slice through annoying packaging, or pry shit open. But wait, there's more. It's also a fucking bottle opener. You can bring it anywhere, in your pocket, on a keychain, with a car fob, or organize multiple sets of keys. It's time to minimize your everyday carry. Micro, the world's smallest minimalist key organizer ever. And it also opens bottles.
What makes a luxury pen so expensive? The main reason luxury goods are marked up by 1000% is the cost of distribution, wholesalers and retailers. So our team at Infinity set out to disrupt all that and bring you 2 world firsts in the process. Last year, we presented our pen from space and delivered the world's only meteorite pen containing a real chunk of meteorite. It went on to be selected by the World Science Festival to be presented to the world's top scientists. This year, we are very excited to present to you our new pen collection. But before we do that, here's how we made it. First, we took inspiration from the Great California Dream. During the gold rush, great cities were born and pioneering fortunes were made. People just like us were inspired by adventure and opportunity. We were inspired to design a pen that captured this pioneering time and entrepreneurial spirit. Our vision was to design a beautiful luxury pen centered on a pure gold nugget, a design challenge never attempted before. After months of extensive research and development, we achieved our goal. We created the exclusive Gold Rush pen series, each pen unique and with its own character and story to tell. To ensure each pen is truly unique, we select the optimum raw gold nuggets. We teamed up directly with world-renowned gold providers to help source the best American gold and ensure the highest quality possible. We showcase each unique nugget in a museum-quality miniature enclosure to display it exactly as it left the ground. In fact, we are so confident in the quality of the pens, we offer a lifetime guarantee with every order. There are 4 writing experiences available. For those of us that simply love writing and great design, we present the Gold Rush fountain pen. For architectural and engineering precision work, there is the Gold Rush mechanical pencil. For those that like simplicity, the classic Gold Rush ballpoint with twist action. And finally, our most popular rollerball format, featuring super smooth delivery and ultra-fast ink drying, a true everyday carry. What's more, you'll know your pen is truly unique and rare. All premium lines are strictly limited edition and available in precious black resin and laser-sintered titanium. By backing this project, you'll be joining in a unique design challenge to deliver the world's first pen range to use a gold nugget and laser-sintered titanium technology. To get your Infinity Gold Rush pen, click on the green button that says Back this project and claim your discounted price now. And remember, take advantage of this limited time offer while you still can. Early pledges will receive pre-Christmas delivery. Make your pledge now and we'll see you on the other side.